pretty worried because my family is gonna watch this video and I don't know how I'm gonna explain to them. Let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ruben. Thanks so much for watching this video. Well, this week's video is kind of based on your assumption. Yes, I know you already read the title. It's about the assumption you all made about me and I'm gonna react on that. So yesterday I put a story on my Instagram to asking you guys what's your assumption about me and I would react on that on my YouTube channel. So here is that video and I'm pretty excited to react on that because oh my god, there are bunch of questions which are about my relationship. Oh god. Let's get started. So the first one is you are a kind of girl who has a lot of secret hidden inside. Well, I don't think so. I think I'm like an open book. I really think so. I don't have any secrets. My life is not as exciting as you're assuming. I have no secrets at all. I don't have any secrets. So, yeah. So the second one is I feel you are kind of shy and it's hard for you to open up in front of camera or in front of this. So yeah, I am not shy. I'm like, you know, between introvert and extrovert, it's kind of, I forget it what's called the word, but yeah, I think myself as kind of that person because I'm totally extrovert sometimes when I vibe with you, or if I don't like you, seriously, if I don't connect with you, I won't literally say a word and I would just shut. I don't vibe with you, so maybe that's the thing. And it's hard to open up in front of screen, so I think that's, I don't know, I still blabber so much and yeah, it's totally hard to open up in front of screen, but I'm trying. So so the next one is, oh, spicy. You are rude as a person. No, I don't think so. I am. Like seriously, I'm so friendly. If we meet for the first time, you won't even realize that we are meeting for the first time. Yeah, I really think so because I got that so many times. Okay, so trust me, I'm not kidding. But I got that. You know what, Ruvi? We are meeting for the first time, but I really vibe with you. I can literally meet any stranger and I can talk with them. And yeah, I don't think I'm rude as a person at all. I'm super friendly. I'm the friendliest person you will ever meet. Seriously. And you would be lucky if I'm your friend. I'm just saying. But yeah, I think I'm super friendly and I'm a good person. I'm not rude at all. I don't know, but if you're rude to me, I don't think I can do anything about that. So I'm gonna do the same, honey. Moving on to the next one. You do not care, but you do care. Yeah, well, that's say how much you know me, because yeah, I sometimes pretend or something like that I don't care, or some things like it don't affect me, but believe me, I do care a lot. I do care. I'm super emo person you will ever meet. Like seriously, I'm super emo person. So yeah, I trust people so easily. I do care about your smallest opinion about me. I do care about that little thing you told me, or everything just matters to me so much, like so much. I don't know. I just sometimes it's hard for me because sometimes it affects me so much and I do overthink about it and it gives me anxiety and all, but I do care about things and people in my life so much. So yeah, I do care. And you know that you don't have that many friends in real. Well, yeah, that's true because I know a lot of people, but I'm not friends with them. I barely have 2, 3, or yeah, like I literally have 2 or 3 friends, which I really care about, and I don't think I need more than that. They are enough for me. They are precious. They are literally so precious for me, and I love them. Next one is you always act lazy when your mom asks you to do some work. Well, Well, that's universal, I guess. No one likes to do household work, not especially me. I'm super lazy when it comes to do household work or anything like that. I don't do it. My mom has to, literally yell at me that Dhruvi, just put your phone aside for a second and help me out. And I know it's not a good thing, but so the next one is you don't make boyfriends anymore. Yep, I don't. Next one is you're very creative and you have had your heart broken. Well, I'm glad if you think I'm creative. I think myself also that I am some kind of creative, but I don't know in which field, so I'm just trying all of that. And I don't think heartbroken. I was disappointed, but I won't say heartbroken. I don't know. We just give people so much importance, we just give people so much control of our life, and then we end up suffering and affecting to ourselves. So don't give control to anyone. That's all I want to say. Don't give control to anyone. That's your life. Make it last. What the hell? Sorry. You're always up to trying new stuff in every aspect, I guess. Well, yeah, I would really this is so true. Like I am that person. I want to try out everything, like literally everything. Even if I'm not good at it, I literally want to try everything. I want to do this, I want to do that, and I really want to give my 100% in everything. I don't know. I love trying new things, and yeah. So that's a true assumption, I guess. That's true. You are a fan of Justin Bieber. Who's not? You are a kind of girl who get drunk and text ex. First of all, I never got drunk. Yup, my life is boring as hell. And my ex wasn't worth it. So I don't think so. I will think about him. So drunk text my food. You're still not confident in your own skin. I won't say I'm still confident. Yeah, I'm not confident. We have, experienced in Indian society. We have that, some standards. You are not looking like that and this, but that's the standard we have to break. And yeah, I'm trying. I really think so. I'm not that confident still in my body, in my own skin, but we all should. So yeah, we are learning. I'm in the process, and one day I will reach that level, I'm pretty sure I will. So yeah, till then let me keep trying, and I will one day. You are secretly studying for exam. You really think so? I'm studying for exam. Good for you. No, I am not. Just God can save me from this semester. When I first checked your account, okay, I thought you had a BF because I don't want to have a boyfriend. Maybe that's it. I want to focus on myself, and you should too. And yeah, that's all assumption we have for this week's video. Reacting to your assumptions is kind of cool. Also, I'm definitely gonna make more of this, and I really hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.